मायनिंग पीडित लोकांचे रिणात सूट दिवंक बँकेचेर आमसभेत दबाव. होच अजेंडा घेवन आयताराक गोवा अर्बनाची आमसभा जाली. मायनिंग वाल्यांच्या रिणावेले जुराचेर उदक सोडल्यार बँकेची 35 कोटी बुडोवन 30 कोटींची कमाई.
They wanted that scheme should be in line with the State Bank scheme of waiver of principal interest.
आता इंटरेस्ट वेवर कितलं करता पडलं?
Around 35 crores we are going to waiver the interest.
Now.
Now.
With the approval 2 days.
With the 2 days approval. We will get, if we waive the 35 and if they clear everything, we will get only 30 crores. Total of 62 kgs, including mine owners, truck and machinery owners. So we have come with another scheme. Since government has continued the scheme till 31st March 2020, we want to approve our scheme so that we could waive them the interest and we could reduce our NPS.
ही येवजण आदले भशेनूच कांयच फायदो ना आनी पयशे भरपाक पावचे ना म्हूण बार्जवाले, ट्रकवाले आनी मशिनरीवाल्यांचो आर्ग्युमेंट. तांकां जाय प्रिन्सिपलांत सूट.
2015 स्कीम हाडली ती आतां सारकी ना म्हणून आतां ते मॉडिफाय करता 5 वर्सांनी आनी 5 वर्सांनी लोकांक क्लासान घातले तांचे कितें मायनिंग डिपेंडंटांक. आमी गोंयकार आमी लोन सेटल करपाक सोदता पूण हे सारकी स्कीम दिवपाक सोदना. कितकी वर्सांनी 8 वर्सां लोक सफर जाता, तांचो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लेम जाला तरी हांकां फरक पडलो ना. ते म्हणटा आमी बँक धाकटी, आमी प्रिन्सिपल डिस्कावंट दिवपाक शकना. आतां इंट्रस्ट वेवर दिला 5 वर्सां नंतर. तोच पयलीं दिलो जाल्यार रिकवरी जातली आसली. आतां प्रिन्सिपल वेवरा बरोबर समज प्रिन्सिपल डिस्कावंट दिलो ट्रकवाल्यांक, बाजोल्यांक, तेन्ना हे सगळे जे प्रोविजनींग आसा ते कमी जातले, NPA कमी जातली आनी NPA कमी जाली जाल्यार बँक प्रॉफिटान येतली. हे तें करपाक सोदिना.
कोण कोण जावपा ना पयशे, ते कोण जावपा ना, ते कोण जावपा ना, ते कोण जावपा ना. परतून तो येतलो परतून हे पट जालोलो 2015 तो तीच परिस्थिती परतून जातली आनी बँक NPA उरतली.
My bank, okay, would have got that 70% from the shareholders and plus 35 lakhs from the subsidy from the government. This money this would have rolled from 2015 onwards. Okay, that has stopped with them now. Okay, that stopped. Now again they are doing the same mistake. Again they are stopping this with the interest itself, which they did in 15 up that time only.
It was just adjourned abruptly. They did not come to any specific conclusion, and the old letter was being read, so which was very wrong. They should have read the later scheme to the shareholders.
They were not ready to listen to the new letter. They were only reading the old letter. Actually for the bank, and we wanted them to adopt the old. They are getting the old scheme back again. Nothing is going to change.
The same old
and
thing
they call
is
it
being
modified.
repeated.
I don't know for what.
The same old thing is repeated. It's no point.
All the banks have given waivers. Only this bank doesn't want to give. They have the provision, but they only want to extract because they know they have the property with them. They just want to take that property.
बँकेचे NPA पावल्या 19%. प्रिन्सिपल सोडल्यार बँक बुडपाची परिस्थिती. बँक बुडोवन OTS कसली काय म्हूण मॅनेजमेंटाचो प्रश्न.
कितला आता NPA म्हटलं तुम्ही?
58 सांगलं तुका. Mining related. Total is 115.
म्हणजे कितलो पर्सेंट अंदाज?
कोणतो आमचो 19%.
19%.
Yeah.
फाटल्या टायमार किती प्रॉफिट दाखयले तुम्ही?
आम्ही every year we are in profit. There is no issue. We are continuously in profit. Only thing we cannot pay dividend because of this situation. We don't get any capital. And what happened? Yeah, दिसले आमकां म्हणून आशिल्लें. Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had said that I will give 30% waiver to these barge and truck owners, but from the government coffers, and that amount will be directly I will transfer to bank loan account. That he had assured us, and on that basis the 30%, 40% talk started. Not that 30%, 40% should be given by the bank, but this government, because they say they don't have funds, you waive it. So we can't just blame the government. But that is what the request of the barge owner.
नॅशनलायज बँका भशेन सहकारी बँकांचे न्ही. तांकां सरकाराचो काडयेचो आदार ना, तरी OTSाक दबाव. म्हापसा आनी मडगांव अर्बन आदींच बुडली. गोवा अर्बन कशी तरी तग मारता, आतां तिचेर संकट. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी वांगडा व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.